So this is my second video of this fluid plugin overview, and you can see it's really awesome. The output in UE5 Niagara. So you don't need now Ambergen or any 3D software for textures. You can create here. And I have placed all these effects in one map, so my map is little laggy, but you can see from this top view. We have dust explosion, liquid, this colorful ring, then fire, and I'll show you one by one and how to activate these and how you can use them. So first you need UE5 preview 1, then go to setting, plugin, and search here fluid. You will find this. You have to turn this on. Then I'll just then you have to come here in settings. You need to check this on, show plugin content, and then if I select one, press Ctrl B. This is the path you will find. So you need to come here in the engine, then plugin, and plugin you have. Let me press Ctrl B again. So in plugin you have this Niagara fluid content. So you can see here if you search and this Niagara fluid content, and in this you have all this content, and you need to go to template, then you have gas, liquid, sand. Okay, and in everything you have 2D and 3D. So in liquid, if I open this, we have emitter and system, so you can just check this system. See, we have shown already, we have seen this already in my previous video. Let me just turn off this map because it's really lagging this whole project. Now it's little lighter, so we can check one by one. So we have this falling water. 2D, it is 2D. Okay. Then we have a pool. This also 2D. This simulation looks really good. And there's no errors in this now because we are directly opening these. And you should not edit this here because this is the presets. You should duplicate these, then use it in your project. So this is 2D splash. From side it looks different, but here it looks different. Okay. We have these three, then this. See, we can do lots of things now in Niagara, but it's really tough to understand these all. You can see it will take really a good time to understand this, then create your own. Even for me, if I'll make a tutorial on these, maybe it will take a very long time because I am already a working guy. I don't get much time to understand these things, but I will try my best so I can provide you my knowledge, whatever I will understand. So, water wakes, cool. And then in 3D liquid, we have three. So first is this. This is just pouring this water in this cube. Then we have this pool. This is just static water. We can drop some models here so that will collide with it, I think. This is 3D water splash. It's really heavy. See? So after liquid, we have gas, 2D gas, system, explosion. compilation error, but it will play, and this looks really cool. Like Ninja Fluid effects like thing, but in Niagara. Okay, moving fire. Yeah, this is our moving fire 2D. Then we have this smoke. And what I wish that how they should implement these fluid thing in Niagara instead of these stacks for just fluid, because this is really confusing, which is what is connected with what. So it will take time to understand. They should have some nodes inside the scratch pad. So like in this fire, they have these custom stages, pressure, velocity, all these things. So what they should have the nodes of these things in, like if you are creating effects and module script here. So there should be like a tab here for fluid. Then there should be velocity, there should be pressure, and lots of stuff for related to the fluid, and we can just connect and it will create fire. So this scratchpad module should look like Ambergen, so with a different window, and that has all the modules for fluid. That would be a easy way to understand things because so next we have let's check this colored smoke. Let it compile. This one looks really good. And one more thing I'll show you. If you have like this map, you have this default template, and you have this effect in viewport. This bounding box you can hide from here. Uh, you need to search this show overlay. Okay. And then it has also resolution, this 192 default. If I make it 50, you can see this is now low res. And how you can see these are the voxels, these box. So when I'm making it smaller, these box are bigger because voxel size is bigger and fluid is low res. And when I'm making it higher, the voxel size is lower. So this is high res simulation. You can make it like 300. It will be more high res, but it will be more expensive. So 192 is default setting, and there are also lots of settings here. Like for collision, you can collide with geometry collection or physical actor, static mesh. We will try these. Let's say it has this static mesh collider. I think it's on, and let's say you have sphere, and I'll make it 2. It's not colliding. It's not colliding right now. So I think you need to do something. I will have to figure it out. I didn't check it properly. So yeah, I will check it out. So the next effect we have, see How cool is this dust explosion? It has two emitter. First is particle, and then second is the dust is on the particle. So in this one, if I make this is 5,000, 50,000. If I make it 5, you can see. And if I make it 1, it will be just one trail. I think we need to rebuild it. It still had something, so I'll make it 5,000 again. So what next we have? Gas explosion. See? And we have think yeah, we have lots of settings for this. It's kind of same explosion, kind of same. Then it has fire. Let's check fire also. So this is the fire, 3D fire. It doesn't look good, but rest of the effects look really good. So what we else we have? We have liquid and sand. So we have just one system for sand. How it looks. Okay. It has this sprite. You can use another texture, sand grain, and it behaves like sand. So these are all things, and I don't think there's any level inside this. No, it doesn't have any level. It has lots of modules. See, lots of modules it has, and these are the templates. So overall, if you find this folder, you can just search here Niagara system, and these are the system 21 presets available for you to use. So that's it. That's it for now. It's just to show you where you can find these content in this plugins directory. So that's it. Bye bye.